Kia ora tātou, I ruti te koroitanga o Ihoa ngā mano, ko te Mangai te kautautoko ai nei a ki nei ai. Day 45, continuing with throwing down some kōrero about our Manuao. And 80 years ago, when the Manuao was opened on the 11th of September, Rātana shared a lot of kōrero in regards to the symbolisms. One of the things he talked about was the Manuao having two captains, one being the Mangai and the other of course being Piri tua. So, what's the point of having two captains on the same ship? The best way I can help frame this whakamārama is in this kōrero, ko Ihoa tō tātou pā piringa, tō tātou pā kaha. So, in our Maramatanga we understand that Ihoa is our strength and he is also our source of salvation. And the Manuao actually teaches us this, and it reminds us of that fact that with all the symbolisms and all the teachings that are on the Manuao, we're reminded that at the end of the day, our strength comes from Ihoa, and our salvation also comes from Ihoa and all the challenges that we face in life. That's a quick hard and fast kōrero about that whānau. But if you go and do your homework yourself, you'll be able to learn a bit more about the functions of the Manuao, why there's two captains. And it's basically all in the mission. The role of the Mangai was to unite tātou katoa I raro I a Ihoa, and of course the role of Piri tua was to be a champion for the rights of our people in terms of rectifying the issues around Te Tiriti o Waitangi and our mana motuhake. So if you can think about it that way, then you actually see the function of the Manuao and how it works to guide our people. Hence why Rātana referred to this building as the Kohamutina. So, kia ora tātou, e rutu te manaakitanga tō tātou ariki. Matua ta mawairu ta piringa he kongai te mga he tautuko mai ai nei a ki nei ai.